Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and ask your questions in the comment sections of the videos so that we can respond by video. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was who committed fraud using documentation of another person. Criminal attorney Vallejo, fraud attorney Vallejo, arrested for fraud Vallejo. Let's see. I was deported due to a domestic violence case that I had back in 2015. I looked for a way to enter the country in a legal way using my brother's papers. Not quite so legal. We look alike and he is a resident. I was arrested for using another person's documents. What do I do now? Well, first of all, this is a felony. This is a violation of Penal Code Section 520, which is fraudulently producing documents that belong to another. That is a felony, like I said, that carries up to 3 years in state prison. Now, if your brother conspired with you to give you these documents, well then he's going to get charged too under a conspiracy theory under Penal Code Section 182, which also carries up to 3 years state prison, and you could be charged with conspiracy too, 182, because if you both planned it out, that's conspiracy. 2 or more people plan out a crime, that's conspiracy. Now, I don't know how many times I have to explain this to people, but you know, when you have a social security, you have a social security number, you have an identification. It's not yours. It's not yours. It's not your property. The social security number is not your property. The driver's license is not your property. It belongs to the government. It's just assigned to you. You do not have the right to lend it to your family member. You don't have a right to give it to your friend. No, it's not your property. It is just simply assigned to you. Please do not do this. You have to understand, it's a very serious offense. And not only that, but since this person is not a U.S. citizen, this would also be considered a crime of moral turpitude, which means it is something that would result in deportation, exclusion from the United States, and denial of naturalization. Basically, what you're doing by doing this is you're digging yourself a deeper and deeper and deeper hole. Please do not use other people's documents, especially since they catch you with them. Very hard case to defend because they will basically have you cold. They would have caught you red-handed. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and ask your questions in the comment section so that we can make videos answering those questions. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, give us a call right now at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing a case of somebody who was arrested due to a confusion of name. Criminal attorney Vallejo, fraud attorney Vallejo, accused of fraud Vallejo.